In ancient times, there was a sage named Dadhichi, renowned for his piety and devotion to the gods. He lived a life of asceticism and meditation, gaining immense spiritual power and wisdom. Dadhichi was deeply revered by all, including the gods themselves. The story of Dadhichi's sacrifice begins with a powerful demon named Vritra, who terrorized the heavens and the earth. Vritra had become invincible due to a boon granted to him, making him impervious to all weapons known to gods and humans. The gods, led by Indra, the king of the heavens, were helpless against Vritra's might and sought a solution to defeat him. Indra and the other gods approached Lord Vishnu for guidance. Vishnu revealed that the only way to defeat Vritra was to use a weapon made from the bones of a sage who had accumulated immense spiritual merit. This weapon, known as the Vajra, would possess the necessary power to overcome Vritra's invulnerability. The gods immediately thought of sage Dadhichi, whose spiritual strength was unparalleled. Reluctantly, Indra and the other gods went to Dadhichi's ashram and explained their predicament. They humbly requested him to sacrifice his life and donate his bones for the greater good of the cosmos. Sage Dadhichi, understanding the gravity of the situation, agreed without hesitation. He saw it as his duty to protect the world from the forces of evil, even if it meant giving up his own life. Dadhichi entered a deep meditative state and, through the power of his penance, voluntarily relinquished his life. His body turned into ashes, leaving behind his powerful bones. The gods collected these bones and, with the help of Vishwakarma, the divine architect, forged the mighty Vajra. Armed with the Vajra, Indra confronted Vritra in a fierce battle. The Vajra, infused with the spiritual power of sage Dadhichi, proved to be the ultimate weapon. Indra hurled the Vajra at Vritra, shattering his invincibility and finally defeating the demon. The heavens and the earth rejoiced at the victory, and peace was restored. Sage Dadhichi's sacrifice became a timeless legend, symbolizing the ultimate act of selflessness and devotion. His story continues to inspire generations, reminding us of the power of sacrifice and the importance of standing up against evil for the greater good.